Hi, I'm Victoria with Brinkley RV. Today I'm going to show you how to chalk your wheels. When setting up your RV, you'll need to make sure that you use wheel chocks, also known as wheel stoppers. Those materials need to either be solid rubber, plastic, sandbags, wood, or any other durable structure. So in this case, what we are going to use is rubber wheel chocks. Wheel chocks will prevent your unit from accidentally rolling forward or backward when in a parked position. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this wheel chalk, we're going to place it in the center of the tire, and we're going to apply pressure to make sure that it's nice and tight. In this case, we're going to put one behind and one in the middle. So now going to the second chalk, we're going to take this and insert it right in the center of the tire, and we're going to firmly press to make sure that it's nice and tight. Once you're done with this side of the unit, you'll need to make sure that you do that on the other side as well.